maybe. Now it has started to get recorded. Okay. Chalo, Priyanshu and
Yes, sir.
Shivam and Purvi, carry on.
And I don't know any boy who doesn't use that for his own purposes.
Well, it's natural, sir, but not with the crow.
Mr. Crocker Harris,
Mr. Crocker Harris. The funny thing is that in spite of everything, I do rather like him. I can't help it, and sometimes I think he sees it, and that seems to shrivel him up even more.
I'm sure you are exaggerating.
No, sir, I'm not. Informed the other day, he made one of his classical jokes. Of course, nobody laughed because nobody understood it, myself included. Still, I knew he had meant it as funny, so I laughed out of ordinary common politeness and feeling a bit sorry for him for having made a poor joke. Now I can't remember what the joke was, but suppose I make it now. You laugh, sir.
Taplo, you laughed at my little joke. I noticed. I must confess that I am pleased at the advance your Latin has made since you so readily have understood what the rest of the form did not. Perhaps now you would be good enough to explain it to them so that they sir scroll करना
Yes, madam.
so that they too can share your pleasure.
The door with right is pushed open and Millie Cocker Harris enters. She is a thin woman in her late 30s, rather more smartly dressed than the general run of schoolmasters' wives. She is wearing a cap and carries a shopping basket. She closes the door and then stands by the screen watching Taplo and Frank. It is a few seconds before they notice her.
Come along, Taplo. Do not to be so selfish as to keep a good joke to yourself. Tell the others, oh Lord.
Frank turns quickly and seems infinitely relieved at seeing Millie.
Oh Hulu.
Without expression, Hulu. She comes down to the sideboard and puts her basket on it.
Do you think she heard?
Say it hello, beta. Hello. Don't say hello.
Do you think she heard?
Say it hello.
Do you think she heard?
Shakes his head comfortingly. Millie takes off her cape and hangs it on the hell stand. I think she did. She was standing there quite a time.
If she did, and she tells him, there goes my remove.
Nonsense.
Millie takes the basket from the sideboard, moves above the table, and puts the basket on it. To Taplo, waiting for my husband.
Yes,
He's at the Barsars and might be there quite a time. If I were you, I did go.
he said most particular.
I would go.
He said most particularly, I was to come.
Well, why don't you run away for a quarter of an hour and come back? She unpacks some things from the basket.
Supposing he gets here before me,
Smiling. I will take the blame. She takes a prescription out of the basket. I tell you what, you can do a job for them, for him. Take this prescription to the chemist and get it made up.
All right, Mr. Crocker Harris. He crossed towards the door upright.
Mrs. Crocker Harris, beta.
Mrs.
That's it. So what happened at last? He was sent away. He was waiting for Crocker Harris and he was sent away. Sent away by? Sent away by?
Meaning,
Crocker Harris.
Yes, his wife. And sent away to?
Chemist.
Okay, to a chemist's shop with a prescription to get some. Our lesson gets over here, but because it is just an excerpt, the story doesn't get over here. If you feel like watching, the complete story is also available on YouTube. I need not show that because our part is this much. And we have seen that video once, of this much of the part. See, from here perhaps we started today. Here. When Priyanshu started reading from here, well, it's natural, sir, but not with the croc. Last time in the previous class, on some previous pages, I made a clear mention of this thing that, see here, first twice he said croc and corrected himself, and then in the third attempt, he started calling him croc without any hesitation, because now he was opening up with Frank. And here in the very second line, means first line by Tableau, he very boldly says croc and then Frank corrects him. What could be the reason why Frank corrects him here? Because in the previous part, earlier we have seen that Frank was enjoying when he was making fun of Crocker Harris or calling him croc or mimicking him, speaking about him. He was enjoying. But here Frank corrects him. Can anybody tell me why does he correct him now? Frank says Mr. Crocker Harris, means it seems that he's trying to tell him that call him by his proper name with respect, using this title Mr. Can anybody tell me why is he doing that? Am I audible?
sir,
Hmm.
sir, maybe it will be a disrespecting way of speaking to Mr. Crocker Harris when Taplo was saying croc, so it will be a disrespect for him.
Yes, it is disrespectful way of talking about his own teacher, somebody who is so senior, so elder. But this way he spoke earlier also. Frank did not correct, rather Frank was enjoying. What made Frank to correct him this time? There are so many students in the class. Somebody may speak. It's just your view, beta. It's just your opinion. There is nothing correct answer kind of thing. I'm simply asking for your opinion. What could be the reason that Frank tried to correct him this time?
Sir, because Frank might be not enjoying that he's continuously calling his teacher by his nickname.
So this time Frank did not like this.
So maybe.
You're trying to say.
Yes.
Sir, maybe Frank knew that
Neha?
Millie Crocker Harris is like in the door. Maybe.
That could be a reason. He probably saw or understood that Mrs. Harris is outside, and if she hears all this, that a teacher is also tolerating all that, probably she would not be happy, rather get angry. That could be a reason. Fine. This is what I'm saying. Your opinion can be your own, whatever you think. That this could be the reason. I will agree with everything.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, maybe Frank realized that today the Tableau was like not giving much respect to Crocker Harris, and next day he may also talk about Frank like that. So he corrected him so that it doesn't happen with him also.
This thing he did not realize little while ago, but when it happened 2-3 times, then he started realizing that children, students, very soon open up, and they may start disrespecting any teacher if he is doing this to a teacher, a senior teacher like Harris. This may happen to him also. This was his fear, rather. Right, Neha? You said so?
Yes, sir.
sir,
Okay. Yes. Aditi.
sir, he might have said this to make it sound more humorous.
Okay. He said this, but this time in a funny way.
Yes, sir.
That could also be a thing. That could also be a thing. He did not actually correct him. Rather, he was further making fun of the name. Sometimes last year, no. Did you study that Julius Caesar last year? No, your syllabus was changed. It was changed. Sometimes you call somebody by good names, full names, but that too with the purpose of making fun or rather insulting. So that could also be one thing, as Aditi says, no problem. So we are getting variety of opinions. Fine, good. I'm happy.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, Frank would have thought that when first time Taplo said croc, so he would have thought that he had said this by mistake. So he didn't said anything to him. But when he said this another time, so he corrected him that you should said this, Mr. Crocker Harris. You should speak.
He said it 3 times before, beta. Earlier, he said that thrice. So it was not by mistake. We also understood while reading the story that he was telling or he was calling him by this name because it was his habit. And it was because all the students called him by that name. Okay, fine, no problem. Okay. Anything else? Don't you think, I mean, just it's a suggestion. Do you think there could be one more reason that he realized that he is opening up, he is becoming frank, he is speaking, speak of Crocker Harris, mentioning his name in such a way, in such an insulting way, and he himself is a reason of that because he is enjoying, he was allowing him to do all that. And first he allowed, first he enjoyed, Now he understood, now he realized that it is his mistake because of which he is becoming so bold. Then he understands that now it is his responsibility to stop him from further doing this kind of things. Otherwise, he will probably start speaking something worse than what he has spoken earlier, and this won't be good thing for a teacher to allow to be spoken of about some other teacher who is senior to him. So has he realized his responsibility as a teacher earlier? Because he is young, he also is less experienced, he is trying to be very friendly to other students, and so he spoke in such a way. But then he felt that now he should stop, because that student has opened up so much, and he is getting carried away, as we have seen on the previous page. So now this is his responsibility to stop him. That could also be a reason. So now we have had so many reasons, thoughts, ideas. None of these is correct and none of these is incorrect, because we don't know what was Frank thinking. But I'm happy that you thought so much. Good. Now what else? He talks about one joke. He tells about one joke. Okay. He laughed at his joke without understanding. And what was the result of that? Mr. Crocker Harris asked him to explain that joke to the class. And how could he explain if he himself did not understand? He laughed just for the sake of laughing because he understood that it is a joke. But he was caught. When his wife comes, he tells that he has been asked to stay back. He has been called for some extra work. And she tells him that he is at Barsar's at some shop, and there he'll take time. He won't be coming back soon. And meanwhile, she allows him, she tells him that he can get away and come back after some time, and she will take the blame of sending him out, and she sends him, and that's it. Now, as we have seen the story, or the part of the story that we had with us, how many characters have we come across?
4.
4 characters. One character without seeing him.
Yes, sir.
The main character, the major character, who is always there, but we have not seen him. Then 2 who are always there, and we have seen them always. There is one more character, Mrs. Crocker Harris, Millie Crocker Harris, who comes at last, plays a little part, sends him out. Fine. Now my question to the class is, there are 2 types of teachers here in this. Names I need not mention, you all know. Ages I need not mention, you all know. The difference in the ideas, the difference in the thoughts, the difference in their ideologies, the difference in their outlook and attitude, the difference in their approach towards their profession, towards their students, is all clearly visible here. If I ask you to make a note of all these differences between these two teachers, one older, mature, senior, experienced teacher, and one young, smart, new, friendly teacher, if I ask you to make a comparison between these two teachers, how would you differentiate?
Sir,
You can
their
start
Sir,
telling point
way
by
of
point. Think,
teaching.
Shivam.
Sir, their way of teaching.
One thing is their way of teaching. Actually, the way of teaching of Frank has never been mentioned in the story. It has not been shown anywhere. So we can't speak about way of teaching. But because you made a mention of this thing, if you can try, you can clarify. What did you think?
Sir, as in chapter it is shown that Frank is very friendly with his students, so his teaching may be not that strict.
Okay. Uh, you feel, it seems, when Frank goes to his class, when he teaches his students, he uh, he talks to them more friendly, and probably he gets closer to them while explaining. Closer means he reaches closer to them. The kind of examples he would be giving to them, the kind of explanation he would be imparting for any lesson, that would be something that is probably more clearly understood by the students compared to Crocker Harris. Are you trying to say this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is one thing which is actually not mentioned, but he thought that way. Any
sir,
other difference by some
experience.
other students?
Sir, experience.
Hmm?
Sir,
Difference
sir,
is of
Frank is,
experience.
yes, sir,
Yes.
Frank is new to the school, but Crocker Harris is the old teacher in the school, so maybe the experience level is different. Like sir, Crocker Harris knew how students are.
May I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
I thought of taking attendance now. Just a minute, beta. Just a minute. I was just taking attendance and I saw only 20. Strength is near 56, 57. Huh? So what is the reason that today we have had only 28 students in the class? Was the invitation clearly visible on calendar and email?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Invitation, it was there. So what could be the reason? Because generally in your class attendance is good. It is near 50, 52 most of the times. 48, 50, 52, 53. This is the attendance of your class. But today I can see there are only 28. But you can't tell about the previous class because previous class was not the combined one. Combined class you have for English only. So you cannot tell how was the strength in the previous class. Could there be a reason that because timings have changed, so some are not knowing? Your class teachers would have shared the new timetable with the new timings on your WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir.
New timetable was already shared 2-3 days ago, 3-4 days ago, perhaps.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And invitation was also clearly visible on email and calendar. So there is no reason visible, no apparent reason that the attendance should be so less, but it is less today. Fine, we'll check it in the next class. Yes, beta, you continue with your answer. Sorry to disturb you, but I was disturbed to see only 28 students in the class, so I asked the question. Yes, beta, continue.
Yes, sir. Crocker Harris is the old teacher, so he would knew that how students are, but Frank is new, so he may not knew that how students are.
Crocker Harris is more experienced, and so he knows students much better compared to Frank.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other difference?
Sir, their
Sir,
attitude towards
Please.
students.
Hmm? Attitude towards the students.
Yes, sir.
How will you tell what attitude means here?
So means Frank is more friendly and polite with with his students, but Crocker Harris is bit strict and uh, he's bit strict with students.
And little bit rigid also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything else?
sir,
Uh,
Sir,
Hmm. One by one.
that Crocker Harris is very strict and he abide with the rules. He don't make any leniency. He actually follows the rules to the point. But when we see Frank, he show leniency. I think he doesn't follow the rules, as it was mentioned that like teachers usually answered the results before they actually had to come out. But Harris was so strict that he never did that. He had never even like tell what kind means give any hint but even if they're gonna pass or not. He is so strict that the children can't make out if they will pass or not. This shows that he is so strict that he will always follow the rules no matter what. But Frank and including other teachers, they're not like that.
Okay. Someone else also wanted to say something. I saw one A. Who else wanted to speak? No one else. Just come out with one or two more differences, and then we shall get on to the next discussion. Abiding to rules you have discussed, very good. Approach you've discussed, very nice. Attitude towards students, understanding of students, and what else? Being friendly, being polite, being rigid, being strict. You have discussed most of the things you have already mentioned. If you have one or two more things, you're most welcome. Otherwise, fine, we'll get on to the next thing. Chalo. Your general opinion. I'm saying CH for Crocker Harris and F for Frank. Your preference. Which of the two kinds of teacher, according to you, or you will consider a better teacher? Start writing in the chat box. C for Crocker Harris, F for Frank. Fifteen responses. By the way, C stands for somebody else also. Only 19 responses received. The attendance shows that there are 29. 29 are visible. Available or not, that is the question. Okay, I can do one thing. I can cross check how many are available. I'll call the names from here, whichever names are visible on my screen. I just want you to say Sairam to me. Aditi Soni,
Sairam, sir.
Garvi,
Sairam, sir.
Bhaumik,
Sairam sir.
Bhumi,
Sairam, sir.
Disha,
Sairam, sir.
Divya,
Sairam, sir.
Garvit,
Sairam sir.
Harshit,
Sairam sir.
Khushi,
Sairam sir.
Mohit, Monit,
Sairam sir.
Muskan,
Sairam, sir.
Neha,
Sairam, sir.
Nishant, Purvi,
Sairam, sir.
Priyanshu,
Sairam sir.
Raj,
Sairam sir.
Ritu,
Sairam sir.
Rumisha,
Sairam, sir.
Ronit, Sambhav,
Sairam sir.
Purvi, we have seen three names by now: Mohit, Nishant, and Ronit, who
Yes.
have not responded.
Sir, actually, I'm there, sir.
Uh,
Instead of unmute button, I clicked on the cancel button, so I was out of the class.
Very
Sairam
good,
sir.
very good. Very good. Samriddhi,
Sairam, sir.
Somendra,
Sairam, sir.
Shivam. Shivam
Sairam,
is
sir.
there. Shivansh,
Sairam, sir.
Shravani,
Sairam, sir.
Swastika,
Sairam, sir.
Vaishnavi,
Sairam, sir.
Vedanshi.
Sairam, sir.
Okay, so Mohit, have you come back? No, he has not. He is there, but not available. Now let me see how many responses have I received by now. Shivam, have you counted how many C and how many F?
It's a 1 minute.
Actually, there are so many C's, Q, F. So you count F out of the total number. Mohit is writing, I am present. Neither you responded to me nor did you respond to my question. You did not answer the question also. Mohit.
Sir, 2F are there.
Mohit's voice is not reaching because of poor connection. If you can write such a long statement, you could have written C or F when I asked my question. Is my voice reaching you, Mohit? Have you written? I did not see. Ah, Mohit has written his answer. Okay, beta, fine.
Sir, 2F are there.
And total responses we have received is perhaps 17. So out of 17, 2F, that means 15C. So the class says, still out of 29, only 17 responses. I don't understand why. When you all are present, you should all have responded. My question was simple and straight. Who, according to you? We have seen two different personalities of teachers. Are you getting my question? All? We have seen two different personalities of teachers in this story. One is mature, more experienced, little strict, not sadist, bit rigid, sticks to rules, rather abides to rules, doesn't do anything beyond rules, doesn't like becoming friends with students, doesn't open up with students. There is another one who is very young, who likes being close to students, becoming friendly to students, talks nicely to them, participates in their fun, participates in their jokes. Even sometimes when they are making fun of other teachers, he enjoys. We have seen these two personalities of two different teachers. My question is, who, according to you, is a better teacher personality? That was the question. And I wanted all the responses. You still can write. We are already 3 minutes late to close the class. Vedanshi has written.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yes, yes, beta, you are audible, audible. Nishant has responded. Bhumi has responded. Sambhav has responded. Muskan has responded. Suddenly, people have woken up. I'm happy. I'm very happy. Raj Oja is also responding. Good. And all those who have 7 more students have responded now, and all of those have written C. Okay. So they all suggest that Crocker Harris, according to them, is the better personality, better teacher personality. Okay, fine. Chalo, this is your idea. I have no comment for that. This is students' idea. That was the story. That was all about the story. There are some questions at the end of the lesson. Go through those questions. And if you wish to discuss, if there is any question, you can ask those questions, share your doubts, ask your questions in the next class. We shall discuss. Okay, beta? So let us stop here. Let's close the class. Sairam, I'm stopping to record it.